Hi, this is Javin. We are going to continue our today's topic, work at height, part second. Now, we go some flashback. Uses of ladder, scaffold, and work platform. Uses of approved type and rating, fall protection equipment is mandatory. The following procedure must be followed to ensure approved equipment use. All scanning, the material examination and storage. All material must be examined upon arrival of site. During unloading, any defective item must be removed from the site or put into special design and marked store area. Special cases where the provision of work, the platform is not reasonably practical and work does not fit into the category. Refer the paragraph above. Alternate safety measures must be agreed advance. The representative environment, health and safety. Now use the proper ladder. Ladder can be used light task, low risk and short duration, but not more than one person must be on ladder and the ladder must be secure to prevent it from slipping outward and sideways. The employee must inspect the ladder before use and person on the ladder must wear a safety harness to prevent falling. Ladder must be inspected least once monthly, must be in good condition, must be painted, ladder must be installed angle 4:1, must extended appropriate 1 meter above the working platform and must be secure so that they cannot slip. Vertical ladder installed for construction purpose at height where a person can fall more than 3 meter must have cage hook fitted with rappel line, vertical lifeline as a continuum sliding anchor point of safety harness. Vertical ladder above 9 meter long must be platform every 9 meter and offset at every platform. Self-made ladder are not allowed on site. Now, scaffold and work platform. A register all scaffold erected, dismantled on site must be maintained. A trained and competent scaffold inspector must be inspected. Erected scaffold before first use, before use. A register of all scaffold erected and dismantled on site must be maintained. A trained and competent scaffold inspector must inspect erected scaffold before first use, before use, least once weekly. Thereafter, additional supervisor must inspect scaffold daily. Scaffold, special, non-typical design. Any scaffold greater than 10 meter in height must be designed by suitable qualified engineer. Person erecting scaffold, steel erector and any other person likely to work area or circumstances where provision of work platform practical must use fall protection equipment. All work platform must have a top guardrail, fixed 1.1 meter intermediate guardrail, toe hold and all side where person article can fall. Work platform made loose plank board forbidden. Gangway must be guardrail and top board all side where the person article may fall. Scaffold erected around a structure where you have electrical services. Where electric equipment is used, work must be earthed to protect person from electric shock. The earth cable must be routed to avoid damage from work equipment. Now responsibility implementing the procedure. While responsibility implementing procedure, the personal employee, the vendor, contractor, supply chain, anchor and specified responsibility have been allotted keeping the significant standard in mind. Responsibility, functional head, department coordinator and site manager. The site must be ensured. The arrangement are placed to ensure that all work at height is properly planned and organized. All work at height tasks account weather conditions. They could endanger health and safety. Those involve work at height, trained and competent. The place where work at height is done is safe. Equipment for work height appropriate inspected daily basis. The risk from fragile surface are properly controlled and risk from falling object are properly controlled. Now, EESL employee. The all employee duty means environment, health and safety. Report the safety hazard to their supervisor. Use the equipment supply properly. Follow safety training instruction and they unless they think they would be unsafe, in which case they should be seek further instruction before continuing. Now training on standard. The general safety need, personal protective equipment required, risk from performing work at height, detail of procedure working, elevated work, work permit, vertigo test, safe use safety equipment, fall arrestor, lifeline, double hook, full body harness, safety net, safety use ladder, scaffolding erection, daily equipment check including safety harness inspection, rescue technique to rescue someone suspended from a safety harness having fallen into a safety net, action to be taken in case emergency. Now document to be maintained for work at height, work permit, competent permit list, training record, personal protective inspection record, etc. Okay guys, this is up to work at height procedure in a detailed manner. Next chapter we have covered some another chemical engineering topics. Till then goodbye, do take good care of yourself.